In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable DRM in Firefox Mobile. By the end, you will have full control over DRM-protected videos and music in Firefox for Android. First, open the Firefox app on your Android device. Look for the familiar Firefox icon in your app drawer or on your home screen and tap it. When it opens, you should see either your home page, a start page, or the last site you visited. As long as the Firefox interface is visible at the bottom or top, you are in the right place. Once Firefox is open, tap the three-dot menu. This icon usually appears in the lower right or upper right corner of the screen, depending on your layout. When you tap it, a menu slides up or drops down with several options like New Tab, History, and Settings. If you do not see the three dots, move the page slightly so the browser controls reappear. Now tap Settings from that menu. This opens the main Firefox settings screen in a new view. You will notice different sections such as General, Search, and Privacy and Security. You are no longer looking at a web page, you are inside the app configuration area. Changes you make here take effect as soon as you leave the screen. There is no separate save button. Next up, tap Site Permissions. On the settings page, scroll if needed until you find the section labeled Site Permissions. When you tap it, Firefox shows a list of what websites are allowed to do, such as use your camera, send notifications, or play media automatically. This area controls how sites interact with your device while you browse. After that, tap DRM-controlled content. You might need to scroll a little within Site Permissions to find it. When you open it, you will see specific options for how Firefox handles DRM-protected audio and video. These controls decide whether sites like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video can use their protection system to play shows and movies. At this point, choose how you want Firefox to handle DRM content. If you select Allowed, Firefox will always allow DRM-protected content to play on any website that requests it. This is the most convenient choice if you often watch streaming services or use players like Spotify Web Player, because videos and music will usually just start without extra prompts. If you pick Ask to Allow, Firefox will stop and show a prompt when a site wants to use DRM. You can then allow or block it for that moment, which helps if you want control every time a site asks. If you select Blocked, DRM-protected videos and music will not play at all, and many streaming services will show an error or a blank player instead. As soon as you tap one of these options, Firefox applies it immediately, so your next streaming site will follow the new rule. You have now set how Firefox Mobile handles DRM content, so your favorite streaming sites behave the way you prefer. If this helped you get your shows or music playing, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Firefox tips.